Hey lovies, it's a new season and I'm not a pro decorator, but I just love making little corners feel very peaceful, well put together. So today I'm trying a lightly RH inspired fall coffee bar. Let's see how it turns out together. Your creativity in your home is everlasting, and your works within your home will loudly speak for you. Give her the fruits of her hands, and let her own works praise her in the gates.
Hello
Proverbs
and welcome to
31:31.
another video. As you can see behind me today, we're doing the coffee bar. I am gonna give you a super luxe look. You don't even need much on your coffee bar to make it look good, but we're gonna experiment with a luxe, super luxe look today with minimal items just to give it that perfect upscale look. If you guys enjoy the video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and don't forget to hit the like button. Let's get to decorating. Before we get started, I just want to paint this pear because I think it'll look much better with some of the colors that I'm gonna use. Hopefully it will dry fairly quickly so we can go ahead and use it in our decor setting. Not sure exactly what color I want to use. Should I go this color or that? This or that? Or should we do a mix of both? I am using the light mocha acrylic paint. This paint is from Walmart. And I am also using the khaki. I might add a little bit of a brown tone to this. I think I need this to look a little deeper. I'm gonna add a little bit of melted chocolate and see what this looks like.
I admit I probably shouldn't have rushed on this one. I probably should have taken my time just a little bit, but the beauty of doing these paint jobs is that you can always go back over it later. So that's definitely what I think I'm going to do. Here we have a layout. Most of the things that I think I'm going to use, as you can see, it's pretty minimal.
Of course, I've already cleaned and prepped the space. It is very clean. So note that today we're going to be using these travertine slabs that I got from Floors and Decor. In the grand scheme of things, they're very practical. They are travertine, so in the grand scheme of things, they are very affordable for just doing a simple project like this. Travertine is a very luxe material to style with. I love the way how it looks. I love the kind of rustic look that it gives, but you can style and still make everything look very modern and give it like an organic feel. These are very heavy, very sturdy, and very practical for using in certain spaces. They are not super thick, so I'm gonna layer. Really, I should be putting some felt pads, which I do have. I'm gonna go ahead and put the felt pads down. I just feel better for the countertop that it will be so much better. But anyways, I have washed these and bleached them, and I probably shouldn't use bleach on travertine, I don't know. But I have washed them, soaped them up, and I have added bleach because we want to kill all germs. I haven't removed the stickers just because I want to keep the skews there. These are the pads that we're going to go ahead and use. Nick thought maybe these ones would work best for this. I'm thinking I should probably use alcohol while I do this, but I'm going to take my chances here. I feel like I have enough to make this work and work again if I absolutely have to.
I grabbed this travertine tile because I thought, why not try this as a base? It feels heavy, grounded, kind of like a mini countertop.
Now that the pads are on, we're gonna go ahead and place. I moved the Keurig over to the middle, not thinking this is full and I needed to be extra careful, so I had a little bit of spill. But this is what I did. So this was a cutting board, and this cutting board had a handle, so it's like a paddle board. I went ahead and rested the end part of this onto the paddle portion. Hopefully it like holds up, because I'm thinking I needed more space right here. The countertop it's not like super long, but it's got good space and surface to cover. So I definitely wanted to kind of fill at least the middle portion of the space. The dreaded cord back here, I'm gonna see how I can maybe cover, but it's so annoying to see these things.
And then I added this tall white vase. The vase was one that I got from Home Goods quite a while ago, and I've had it for a few years. I decided to do a DIY on it. It was kind of like more of an original terracotta finish. So I didn't want that original color, so I just painted it an imperfect rustic matte white. This serving tray was a Home Goods find. I've had it for many years, and I just wanted to see what it would look like in this space. It would have worked perfectly for a little pot dish, but I'm not sure I'm going to keep it here. And these mugs are Walmart finds, very affordable, and it's just simple and plain, and it works. The book is from Hobby Lobby. So these faux books, as you can see, they look a little bit rustic, perfect for my color scheme right here, and from Hobby Lobby. The cutting boards are Ross finds, always with the cutting boards from Ross.
You're so amazing, no, don't get me started.
I can't help myself. I'm just trying to cover up some of these outlets, and I don't think it looks terrible. It really doesn't look that bad. Okay, so I'm actually gonna need you guys to help me out here, because this is the deal. So I put this board on, but I was thinking, should I go darker? It looks like it's a little bit off tone when I do it like this, but I'm covering up the plug, right? So that's what it looks like. Does it look off tone to you guys? Let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna go ahead and use something else on the lower portion. I kind of wanted this color to tie into all these other colors, but I feel like I'm too matchy-matchy. So, I don't know. What do you think? We can try this piece here, but it just seems way too dark for what's going on here, right? Right, that's not gonna work. So I have these two. These are just two very simplistic, well, maybe not so simplistic, two coasters, and they're like marble. I'm gonna place those right there. And then I'm gonna put this candle on it. Hopefully that will look okay. I know it's very small, but just to give the candle a little bit more height. Just a little mandarin orange spice tea for the season. And then we're gonna do a little vanilla chai, because to me, that is definitely fall.
I added these false stems to my vase. These are more kind of rusty tones, kind of like a deeper red. And honestly, it surprised me on how much it warmed the space. Warm reds like a burgundy and brown are just doing it for me this fall. My backsplash always feels a little too loud, so I'm trying to slide it, an oversized cutting board in there, one darker, one lighter. I didn't know if it would work, but it actually frames a corner and makes it feel calm. It's a little bit of experimenting here and there that helps me to teach myself along the way.
Seen another breath and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves.
And there it is. It's not perfect, but it definitely feels like home, and it's warm, it's personal, and that is exactly the feel that I was looking for in my little RH inspired coffee bar. It's not a showroom and definitely not perfect, but it makes mornings a little bit calmer when you have an organized space to grab your coffee or your tea and just sip for a moment.
I am blessed with another chance. I'm blessed with another chance. Blessed with another chance. I am every day always on my head high, my chest high, but that don't mean I don't cry. Feeling like la 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 la. My enemies, I'ma say bye bye. Energy feeling like I can't fly. I know he loves me, that's why. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. It's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 Blessed with another chance, I am.
I took away the bowl full of pods, which I don't need to have because we technically have pods in the drawer. I was just thinking it just looked like a little too much. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Do you like the look better without the bowl? Is it much more? I said I was going for a minimalist look, but this definitely was not exactly minimalist. I'm thinking to move the boards over as well. Let's try that and see what it looks like. You know what? I decided that this plug was more unsightly over here than this one in the middle over here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep it looking like this. Can you guys see? What do you guys think of that change? Please let me know. Do you like the first look with everything inserted, including the pod bowl, or do you like it without? I like it like this. I like it without. It looks simple and easier to work with. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. And if you guys have not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing if you enjoyed the video.
Thanks so much for spending a little time here with me. If you love learning together, decor, faith, and everyday life, please go ahead and you know what buttons to hit. I'm not going to keep saying it. I'd love to share the next space with you on the next video.
We absolutely love you, so stay safe.
Continue to embrace all the love that you have and all of your blessings. I will see you guys later. Bye.
I paved a new song, new day. Fall